Hello everyone, this is Lisa the Junk Diva. I'm going to be opening up a package from AliExpress that I finally got after, I'd say about almost 2 months worth of waiting. I kind of gave up hope on this package. Last night actually I had even just had an argument with the AliExpress chatbots or whoever they are that are the customer service people that you reach on their app. They really didn't come up to any solution other than it's being delivered, but it's with the local delivery company. That's what it said. Local delivery company, which could mean anything. First, they told me that it was with my local post office, in which, of course, I went there and it wasn't. And so after that, somebody told me on another chat that I had with them that it was with FedEx, which indeed it did turn out to be with FedEx, and I got it this morning. So just to clear up all the confusion, this is something that should have been delivered maybe within a month or so, but it took about two months, maybe almost 2.5 months. I know I ordered it back in July, and here it is September. So anyways, maybe about a month and a half then actually. So this is the item I ordered. It's called a laptop bed table foldable, I'm trying to get it to focus, lap table with cup holder. And it's supposed to be white. I thought this will be perfect for me because I'm in college again and I'm trying to do my work on my computer, but I don't have a designated desk area because this apartment's small. So anyway, I got that. It says refunding on there on the status. So that would be interesting if I actually end up getting this for free after waiting for so long. Otherwise, I did pay $17.72 for the item.
You're making sure I ain't showing our address this time.
No, it's not showing anything.
Okay, good.
No, it's just showing the item I ordered and the price I paid, but it doesn't even say my name. I guess my daughter's kind of thinking there might be some freak out there that...
You never know about people, I'm telling you.
Yeah, so anyway, yeah, you can see all the multiple labels in Chinese writing.
Chinese.
And that says FedEx. So anyway, the boxes, the only thing that's keeping this box together is the tape. So, can you give me some scissors? I forgot to get some scissors.
I don't want to be in this.
Oh gosh, I'm gonna film my beautiful sleeping Ibo over there then. Yeah, but yeah, this thing, I'm curious if it's even in one piece anymore. Something feels off here. It could just be the legs sticking up on it.
You want scissors, I'm hoping.
Yeah, scissors are fine. But yeah, I guess, do you want to hold it for me while I unbox it?
Yeah, I can.
Okay.
Oh, God.
Thank you.
Everybody can see our robot shelf over there.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, I see the
What
fake wood.
Oh, lovely.
Well, of course, it's not going to be real wood. It's like a wood grain looking thing. It's smashed.
Are you freaking serious?
Look, it's smashed in two.
Oh my God.
I told you.
What shit?
Alright, I'll be taking some photos of this for proof. And I should definitely get a refund.
Oh God, I can see it where it's been smashed.
Craziness.
That's bullshit.
What 2 months shipping from China gets you people. So definitely be careful when you
order things like this at least.
Like this from AliExpress, because the longer it's gone like that, the more likely it is to be coming up to you in not the way it's supposed to be.
Can you even use the motherfucker?
Look at that. That looks like it's been used.
What the fuck?
I think this is a used item.
Oh my God.
Take another video. video of this. Look at this craziness.
Oh my god, it's like ripped and shit.
It's all scratched and dirty. Dirty as all hell.
Oh, good lord.
The legs work. Look at it. It's smashed. It's cracked right in two.
How the fuck can you even use it? It's like garbage at this point.
Garbage. It's a piece of garbage, folks. I waited 2 months for this piece of doo-doo.
Look at that. The whole thing is cracking.
Yeah, this I might as well throw the whole thing in a dumpster. Well, I'm going to have to upload proof of this to them. That way I definitely get my refund. And I'll have to order another table from somewhere else.
Oh my god.
I don't know if there's
Look at
even a way
that
to
shit.
fix this.
The only way you could is get some fucking duct tape. Or like hot glue it.
Here's the... Oh, shit.
Here's some fucking table.
Here's the damn... I pinched myself on the damn thing.
Oh my god.
See right there?
As soon as you put a computer on that, that thing's gonna crumble into a fucking pieces.
9:30. That piece.
Look at that! Look at that shit!
Look at that.
And there's dust on it! Look at the fucking dust!
It's dirty as fuck, and yeah, and I had to wait 2 months for this shit.
And then we get it broken.
I get it broken. I still don't have a table. I'm back to base one, or square one.
Oh my god.
Way to go, AliExpress. Yay. You guys rock. Okay, well, obviously, this thing...
I never have a problem with ordering plushies or anything else like that.
I've ordered clothes, I've ordered kimonos, you know, things of that nature.
Seem to arrive okay, but this is shit. And it's been used, obviously, because there's dust on it.
It's been in 2 months from shipping.
And it's fucking cracked all to hell.
I don't know. I don't know where to get myself something like this that would be functional and not broken. But AliExpress is going to have to pay me back for this.
Yeah, that's bullshit.
I waited 2 months for this piece of crap. And now here it is. It's actually a piece of crap.
Yeah, are we going to call it unboxing table fail or something?
Unboxing, I don't know. I have a lot of choice words. Probably YouTube wouldn't like.
Well, you need to do something that's not going to get your video taken down.
Yeah. Well, this is bullshit. So, yeah, people don't order tables off of AliExpress.
No, I wouldn't. That's crazy.
Nasty
I don't know if Temu would be much better.
I don't know. Well, Temu has... I'm just going to throw the whole thing away. Temu,
I would. Even the box is banged up all to shit.
When I seen the quality of the box that it was shipped in, and that there's holes all over it, and it's banged up to fucking hell, I knew this was going to be broken. Anyway, there it is.
Yeah, there's the shit table, everybody.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Bye. How do I end this shit?